Hi, this is Sharon. Did you know that you can enjoy healthy, delicious desserts just by adding more fruits? Fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals, which can help reduce your risks of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Plus, fruits are naturally sweet. When you add them to your desserts, you can cut back on added sugars, which is a really healthy habit. So I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite recipes for Cranberry-Apple Hazelnut Crumble. This recipe has apples, cranberries, orange, a little bit of brown sugar. It has oats, whole grain flour, spices, hazelnuts, and vegetable oil. Let's go! Doesn't this recipe for Cranberry-Apple Hazelnut Crumble look amazing? It's filled with all of these golden baked fruits. It smells wonderful and it's just absolutely delicious. You can get the recipe at aicr.org and sharonpalmer.com.